Hello there, family and friends. If you're from across the world, Joe Jones is back on the road. Well, first of all, let me say congratulations to all the ones that are already with their mentors, driving trucks, got their CDL license, and just doing solo, over the road, dedicated, international, etc. Whatever you're doing, that's awesome. I mean, that's really good for you. I'm so happy for you, and I'm glad, and I'm so happy that all my videos have helped you a lot and made you make the right choice. You know, sometimes we make the wrong choices, sometimes we do make the right choices. Now, I always said it, and if you don't have the money to get your CDL license because it's expensive, that's when all these schools, they come in and they pay for everything. And that's why I always said it on my videos, that's why they always make you sign a contract. It's a contract you're gonna sign. Okay, so once you sign that contract, it's because they don't want you to just get your license and run away. You know, you pretty much use up all their tools. You know, remember, they give you the trucks, you know, and they give you the mentors, they give you the instructors, and all the tools to get you out there. You know, but then again, we can't take the heat. So what we do, we just run away to other companies. But let me tell you something, and I'm gonna say it right now in this video. All I did in CR England was phase one. As soon as I got off the truck to upgrade, I got off the truck. All right, I got off the truck and I got on a different truck. You know, but see, I live by faith. Okay, so I'm a believer, and God has been great to me, and God is good, and I keep saying, you know, God is good and God is always good. And why do I say that? Because I got off with 2 months, okay? 2 months experience. I think I didn't even finish phase one. As soon as I went to upgrade, I did upgrade it, and I was out. Okay, I was out. I went with a different company, and it happens. Everybody moves on. But then again, you have to pay them back. So right now, I'm with Swift now. I'm with Swift. A lot of people leave. And it happens to a lot of people. And why did Joey Jones leave CR England? You know, Joey Jones left CR England because I can't live off $300. I was only bringing $300. And there's a lot of people saying that it's a lie. No, it's not a lie. No, it's not a lie. You're not gonna, trust me, phase one, you're not gonna bring over $500. You're only gonna bring $340 something a week. So I'm telling you, give it a try, and trust me, I already see people trying to get out already, you know. But again, you know, it goes for, listen, it goes for everybody. There's a lot of people out there that are already doing it, and they just want out, you know. They just want out. They just want to go ahead and go with whoever. But I mean, you don't have to do what I did, you know. You don't have to do what I did. It's just, I mean, I'm just giving you a heads up, okay? So there's other companies that will take you. There's other companies that won't. Okay, Swift, they will be happy to have you, you know. And Swift, everybody have their up and downs, you know. Everyone. There's no perfect company out here. Nobody's gonna come over, knock on your door, and be like, "Hey, listen, here's a cup of coffee with some donuts, okay? And here's a raise." Ain't no company gonna do that, man. You gotta do that and get off the truck and go get your donuts yourself. Okay, so again, God is good. God has always been good, and I always put Him first. God first. I pray, and right now I'm solo driver. Look, I got my day cab. That's my truck, and I can't really complain. So it's your decision. It's up to you. If you're already on the truck with CR England, if you want to leave, just pay them back. You know, just call them, tell them, listen. Just be honest to them. Call them, pay them back weekly, monthly, however you want to do it. You know, and then just go whoever. I mean, not everybody's gonna take you like with that contract. So you can do look into Knights Transport, and you can also look into Swift. You know, and don't say I told you that though. But yeah, I mean, if you want more information and personal information, just email me at dronesrworldsky@gmail.com, and I'm gonna put my email address on the bottom so you can email me, and then I'll give you more tips. All right, and there's no perfect company out there. You know, once you get the perfect company, you can go ahead and email me and let me know that you found the perfect company. All right, guys. So I always tell all my viewers, friends, and family, don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. God bless you all. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Later.